the Mobile Home Mama, here in another luxury home. There are a few features in this home I wanted to point out that are very appealing to the eye and just amp your kitchen up quite a bit here. We are in the luxury top of the line Summit series today. We've got quartz countertops in a Hamilton pattern, a waterfall island that extends this way. One of the options I wanted to show you that I don't think I've ever showed before is a full wall of subway glass tile. In this particular home series, we've got drawers over doors, which is an option we can add to any home. The stainless steel European style hood, which is a touchscreen. 42-inch cabinets all the way to the ceiling. In this series, you're also going to get can lighting throughout as a standard feature. Ultimate kitchen handle pulls. By the way, every island that we produce here at Champion Homes does have electrical outlets in it. Nice big corner pantry. And we kept this kitchen all white everything, so it looks really nice. Upgraded black stainless steel appliances, and they're all included. So we've got the side-by-side refrigerator, the trimmed out microwave, the dishwasher, and the range. Last but not least, over here, in our Summit series, you're also going to find shiplap accent walls as standard features of the home. Just a few bougie items to make your home extra special. Thanks for watching.